In this video, I'll guide you through how to add a DMARC record in GoDaddy. DMARC is an important email security setting that helps protect your domain from spoofing and phishing, and it also gives you reports about who is sending email on behalf of your domain. We'll go step by step inside your GoDaddy account so you can set this up confidently, even if you're new to DNS settings. First, sign in to your GoDaddy account and open your domain portfolio. This is the main area where all your domains are listed. If you have more than one domain, take a moment to confirm you're working with the correct one, since the changes you're about to make only apply to the domain you select. Once you see your domain list, look for the domain where you want to add DMARC. On that row, you'll find a button or link labeled DNS. Click the DNS button next to your domain. This will open the DNS management page, which is where all your records like A, CNAME, MX, and TXT are stored. On the DNS management page, scroll until you see an option to add a new record. Click the Add New Record button. This opens a small form where you'll define exactly what type of record you're creating and what its values should be. In the type field, select TXT from the drop-down list. DMARC is published as a TXT record, so it's important to choose this correctly. Next, in the name field, enter the word DMARC with the underscore at the beginning. That underscore is required. Without it, the record will not function as a DMARC policy. Now you'll set the value field, which is your actual DMARC policy string. This tells receiving mail servers how strictly to handle messages that claim to come from your domain. If you're just getting started and want to monitor activity without affecting email delivery, use a monitoring-only policy. For that, paste a DMARC string in this format: v DMARC1 p at none RUA mail to example at your domain. The p it's none part means no enforcement, only reporting. The RUA section is where reports will be sent. Make sure you replace the example address with a real email address you can access so you actually receive those reports. If you're ready for stronger security and want suspicious messages to be treated more cautiously, you can use a quarantine policy. In that case, your value will look like this: v DMARC1 p quarantine RUA mail to example at your domain. With peak quarantine, receiving servers are instructed to send messages that fail DMARC checks into spam or quarantine folders. Again, update the email in the RUA field to an address where you can receive and review the reports. For the TTL, or time to live, you can leave it at the default setting, which is typically 1 hour in GoDaddy. This simply controls how long servers cache the record before checking for updates, and the default is perfectly fine for most setups. Once everything looks correct, click Save. It may take some time for the new DMARC record to propagate across the internet, but your record is now in place. You've successfully added a DMARC record in GoDaddy and taken an important step toward improving your domain's email security.